Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude. I'm out here at Toys R Us in Edmonton, and we've got three here. So I'm in one of the three, I can't remember which one, but you can see we've got a nice diversity of Jurassic World figures. We've got the new Wild Pack dinosaur figures. These ones are super neat. They've got the repainted Herrerasaurus, Dimorphodon, and plenty of Zuniceratops in stock. They're at a decent price. They've even got the older versions, the attack packs from Camp Cretaceous, just those two. They've also got the new Tyrannosaurus in. This is not its price, by the way. So that's pretty neat to finally see it in. I got it quite a while ago, but now they have it more in stock. They've also got these guys, the Camp Cretaceous massive biters, and they've got plenty of the electronic variants, which is nice. And we also have loads of Toro, Carnotaurus, and still plenty of human figures in stock as well, on sale, on clearance, so that's nice. Might get a few more of those, and one of the Camp Cretaceous control ones. But yeah, no, that's a pretty good assortment. I'm probably going to pick up maybe a batch of Owens. I haven't seen them in BC for a while, and I was kind of wanting to have a complete lineup of the first wave on these figures, which is pretty neat to finally get a chance to have in package one of each of these. I thought I might as well because that price is really good, and again, it's been a while since I've seen them. And I think that's it, actually, guys. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure to check out my other toy hunt videos. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.